How's it going? My name is Brent from Encore Window Tinting and Paint Protection Film, and today we have a pain in the butt door handle cup. So these are pretty deep recess, and the pattern gives a ton of coverage. I mean, we're all the way up. It's going to come over this edge just a little bit and then recess in. It does round in just a little bit because, you know, covering that whole door cup would pretty much be impossible. But it's massive coverage in there. You know, they used to have much simpler door cups, and these ones are a bit more complicated. So there's a special tool for these. Your fingers. That's how I get these down. So let me go ahead and show you what we do. All right, so we've got this misted down. Let's mist this down. Actually, that's hardly a mist, right? All right, let's basically try to line this up. And I'm going to stay a little bit further down than I'm going to stay up, but I also want to be correct from left to right and kind of see that these are lining up here to make sure that we're, you know, not too crooked. Otherwise, we're just going to have to trim something if it comes up crooked. Okay, so let's get some tack solution in here. Let's get out this squeegee. So this is a 3M, though it does have a part number on it, 05517. And what I like to do is just get this middle down first. That can start drying. And now, since we just have tack solution in here at this point, basically, we can go ahead and get started. The tack solution is important. You don't really want any slip in there because we need this to really stick down as we go across it. Now, if you were just to go over this with a squeegee, you're going to end up just creasing things over most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time that's what's going to end up happening with this. And so we want to be able to fill that creasing over with our finger so that we know when to stop, back up, and reposition how we're stretching. So I'm going to hold here on this edge, and I'm going to start down in here, and I'm going to push really hard in there. And I can feel that the material is not laying over on, or creasing over on itself. Otherwise, you're going to feel that bump with your finger, and then you can go ahead and lift back up and try again. So let's get this side now. So I'm pulling out to the corner, and I'm working towards that corner. And what that's going to do is that's going to put stretch on the material and allow it to lay down into place here. Okay, and then just push out any fingers. Hey, I just need about like a minute. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and go right back over this with our squeegee. Make sure that we didn't leave any moisture or water behind, and let's go ahead and do the bottom. So the bottom I'm gonna do with my pointer finger. Same thing though, lots of pressure, and I take it kind of slow. And that gives the material a chance to kind of tack up as I'm moving across it. Let's go ahead now. I feel like the thumb works a lot better than my pointer finger, but that's very awkward. Well, I guess we could do that on this side, huh? Although it feels more awkward than the finger. And then over the edge, hold that in place, follow up with the squeegee. Okay, now let's dry all these edges out now that everything is stuck down. Make sure you go back and feel for any water pockets or air pockets left behind, or okay. All right, terrific. So that's the install process on that. So the only thing that'll be left to do with this is to go through and heat seal all those edges. Let's just do that real quick together. And then these could also be trimmed off if you were inclined to do so, if you wanted it to look much, you know, to look a bit more uniform. So we'll go ahead and just warm up these edges and then push them down. and that'll ensure, give them the best possibility of staying down forever. There you have it, door handle completed. If you found anything helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and we'll see you guys on the next one.